Sure smells like somebody pooped themselves around here. Sure smells like it. Oh wait, what's that am I looking at? Oh, we washed the skid loader finally. And the floor jacks. Okay. Well, at least the loader got a bath, and now's the time. Well, I'm gonna pull it up all the way, then I'm gonna put some grease in it because it hasn't seen grease in a little bit before I want to say Christmas, I think. Would one of you guys want to hand me my grease gun so I got crawling out of this thing? Anybody? Hello? Maybe nobody's home. No. These things are a pain in the butt to crawl in and out of to begin with. Oh dear, I think we got a little excessive with that one. Oh. So I think I got a little excessive with some of these here. Like that one down there, 30 pumps, 20 pumps, and then however many it took to do that cylinder there, that end. And all I got left to grease is that one. Hang on here. You're supposed to be able to tighten these up. Yep, and this was loose. Because the more you tighten these things up, there's little jaws in there, and they will grab on that so that you can grease just like that. So, yeah. Well, we just had a failure. Never in my life have I seen this kind of thing before. It blew the end right off. My Milwaukee blew the end right off. So, yeah. Now what the heck do I do? Oh boy. It blew that thing right the heck off. So, I guess, I mean, I wonder what caused that thing to blow like that. I mean, that's clearly not grease for me, just smeared it all over the machine. And of course, just 2 after I got done washing the dang thing. So, yeah. And I wasn't even in the low speed with that grease gun. I was on the high side, and the dang thing just blew apart. Well, so I got a, yeah, darn it, think. I know you're just getting over being sick, but come on and think. So I just got another grease end from over across the work there. Got 2 different kinds this time, 6,000 pound and 3,000 pound. 3,000, however the heck you guys pronounce it. So what you got to do when you first put these guys on, and of course I am down too far, but what you got to do is you got to take and put these guys, you know, right about there, okay? Right about there, so that, and I was up too far on this grease fitting here, and I will show you, because you're supposed to be able to turn this upper part by hand, and it is not wanting to cooperate with me for the life of me. Maybe a pipe wrench. So you're supposed to be able to take a pipe wrench or something along them lines and turn this, what is it, like a quarter turn or something, so that there, so that you could take and just turn this little guy here, just like that, because there's little balls in there. The little balls, the more you turn this, the more the little balls will open up and allow you to clamp onto a grease end. The more war that this gets, the tighter you make this close and the little balls, the little jaws up. I'm gonna see just how good my one-handed talented skills are here, not blow this thing apart again like I done last time, because that would have been pretty hysterical if I let the camera run. So, yeah. Alright, so I think we're about done. So, yeah. The old loader lives on for another year or so. Actually, you know what? I think we'll go back and throw our bucket on to clean our mess up, because we can't let the mess here. Also, while we were washing stuff today, we decided to go ahead and wash the John Deere Gator while we were at it and make it all clean like new again. Take care of what the good Lord has given me, so that's what I'm doing. So I think I might have just done a bad thing to this Gator, but oh well. What the heck? Oh. What the heck? You guys hear that? Huh. Unless the damn thing got wet or something. Got backup lights, but no. Everything's hooked up like it should be, but I don't know. Well, my beeper is somewhat working now. Somewhat working now.